You know where we at? Deep in the mud, down where the current moves slow. Keep your head on a swivel, crimping on the bayou.
Turning the water to oil, got the pressure rising, yeah, the blood start to boil. I'm in a flat bottom boat, no lights on the deck, got a heavy duty secret hanging around my neck. The cypress knees are white and the Spanish moss hangs. I'm moving through the shadows, avoiding the fangs. From the bluff city streets to the edge of the swamp, it's a high stakes game and I'm making my stomp.
Oh, he's crimping on the bayou.
Yeah, he's running from the line,
Crimpin on the bayou.
everything wrong but it feels so right.
In the dark where the gators play,
Crimpin on the bayou, fade away. Got a pocket full of trouble and a mind full of schemes, chasing down the ghosts of these Memphis dreams. The humidity is thick, you can cut it with a blade. I'm collecting what I'm owed, I'm getting paid in the shade. Don't look for no mercy in the reeds and the rock. I'm the king of the basin, whether I like it or not. From the Bill Street hustle to the murky deep, I'm the only one awake while the bayou's asleep. Deep water, deep secrets, don't ripple the surface. If you hear a splash, don't turn around, just keep your eyes on the prize. Memphis to the mud, it's all the same blood. On the bayou,
fade away.
yeah, just keep it quiet, don't let the water talk. Crimpin' bayou style.